When it's not your drawer, you kind of feel like you should have gloves on for this. We need a bin bag.
This next drawer is gonna be bad.
She just needs a little disinfectant wipe. I'm not touching your tongue cleaner. Throw them out. I've really given up. So this is my best friend Kane, and I decided that I was gonna clean out his room because low-key, even though it looks kind of tidy and everything, I feel like guys are kind of gross, and inside these drawers it is not freaking cute. So that's what we're gonna do today. Hey pal, you excited to clean and organize and just make your room way freaking better?
I'm kind of embarrassed.
Kane is embarrassed of his room, which is like 110% cleaner and more organized than my entire apartment. We probably should be doing my apartment, but it's fine, whatever. Give us a little tour, pal.
My bed, I've got a desk here where all the videos get edited.
Wow.
And then you take one step and you're in my bathroom. Which people always say, why do you have a bath in your bed? Good question, but I think it's cool. My worst room in the house. I kind of just throw everything in here and make everything else clean.
This is just like your junk room, but also your closet, your laundry, your cleaning supplies room. Just really got everything. Kane also has a small coffee station in his bedroom.
I am a 14-year-old in a house.
Wouldn't be a lie.
To prove my point, come in here. My air fryer's in here as well.
In the closet! What the fuck? I just asked Kane for some paper to write down different storage things that I want to get today to organize. The only paper he has in his whole room is sticky notes. I mean, she'll do, but like, Kane doesn't have any storage solutions at all. Like, he literally doesn't have one acrylic container, which baffles me because I have about 200. I probably should have bought some over, but we're gonna go get some. So first things first, I'm gonna work out what we need. And we're gonna go to like Target, Kmart.
I'm not paying for it either.
You're like, it's your video, you can pay for it. This is about how much effort Kane is putting in. I ended up going through and writing down everything that I feel like he needs. Let me show you guys. So for instance, in this drawer, it's basically just all skincare, different little, I don't know, bathroom-ish. So I was thinking of getting like a little jar for his toothbrush because it's laying down flat right now, which seems kind of gross. And then he just has like hair ties and cotton rounds and just earbuds and stuff. So I'm gonna try to find some organizers for stuff like that. I have put sticky notes on pretty much every single surface of Kane's bedroom, but I just kind of wasn't sure how to figure out what I needed for each space. But we've kind of got a list together now. It's already 12 o'clock and
we have so much stuff to throw out.
I'm literally gonna be here till so late. Popping in 7-Eleven to get myself an energy drink because it seems like today is gonna be a long day, y'all. These are the best.
We just pulled into a petrol station and Sarah didn't even ask if I wanted anything.
I did, sir, you freaking liar. I couldn't believe that Kane didn't want anything. I don't normally drink energy drinks, but these ones, they're called V Pure and it's made out of apple juice. Apparently there's nothing artificial. I don't know if that's actually facts, but... Child Kane. We're in the kitchen organizing section, but I feel like these little containers would work really well for cotton buds and like Q-tips and hair ties. These are the organizers that I wanted to put under Kane's sink, but they only have 2. I can't get them out. We've been here for less than 2 minutes, I'm gonna say, and we've already got a decent amount of goods. This is the least awkward I've ever been in public. I'm surprised myself. The only thing we're struggling with is they don't really have tiny little organizers. They just have big ones. Update, we ended up with a full bin. Kane's just been using supermarket bags. Nearly lost my phone. How do you not have a laundry hamper already? We decided on the ones that I have because I feel like the fabric ones would like start to smell. Maybe that's a stupid assumption.
They would actually get stinky if you put like a wet towel in there.
True. We came into Daiso. These could work. We ran into Holly. She doesn't want me to show you in real life because she doesn't feel cute. It is literally after 2 p.m. We still haven't actually started the cleaning process. We ran into Holly and then she needed us to take her home. We got a bunch of stuff. Most of the stuff was from Kmart actually. We also went to the grocery store and picked up some things that Kane needed, just like cleaning supplies and window cleaner and stuff. First things first, this is what we're gonna tackle first. He has like 2 different like technology drawers. Like he has one that's like cords and then he has like camera stuff in 2 different drawers. It just has to be in one drawer, like one big drawer. Like,
we'll see how we go. I got a lot of stuff.
like this little Nespresso manual, which you definitely can just see online.
I feel like a boomer.
For real. I feel like something like this is way easier when you have someone to be like, why do you have this random receipt from 2015 for a coffee machine that doesn't even work anymore and you don't own? It's in the bin.
I might need it one day.
No. We need a bin bag. We need lots of bin bags, pal. So far, pretty good. Kane's being kind of brutal and actually getting rid of stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying. I much prefer doing this when I'm not alone.
It's good because people like motivate you.
Comment down below if you're cleaning right now or you're going to do this today.
I hope people are cleaning with us and we're inspirational. Because Kane's room is like kind of like a studio apartment, he just has random things that you wouldn't normally keep in your room, like bin bags. So we're gonna fold them all up because they're literally taking up a whole drawer. And now to just remove the sticky residue that comes with having a bar drawer.
Ew, it's actually so gross, and every single thing there
is covered in like grenadine syrup. It's so disgusting. Update. It is almost 4 p.m. and we have only made a mess in here and we haven't actually organized anything. I feel like Kane's biggest struggle is that he just like makes too many little drawers for all his miscellaneous stuff instead of putting everything into a category and actually organizing it.
Yeah, we've got junk drawer 1, junk drawer 2.
No, we're not gonna have junk drawer 1 and junk drawer 2. There's gonna be 1 junk drawer because it's essential to life, but there's not gonna be 2. You don't need this. They're dead! Throw them out!
Can you check?
He wants me to check his sea monkeys because last time they weren't dead and he thought they were and he didn't feed them for 2 months.
Rest in peace, my friends.
So far, we have pretty much finished up Kane's big set of drawers. So the top drawer ended up being, I think, miscellaneous, and there's just a lot less in there. But we then have like a tech drawer. I feel like tech drawers, they just don't ever really look good because there's so many cords and stuff that look unmanaged. But this is organized in mine and Kane's brain right now. This drawer is kind of like, I don't know why, but it doesn't really open very well. But naturally, because it doesn't open, we made it stuff that Kane doesn't use very much. And then lastly, I would be most excited about the little snack bar drawer. So we got all of Kane's alcohol here, snacks, more snacks, and then just like cups. And for some reason, Kane has 2 cocktail shakers. So I'm assuming that mine was stolen after the cocktail party.
It actually was. You're also missing a piece, so I don't really know, someone else stole it too. Got great friends, pal.
I'm gonna move on to the bathroom because for me that is gonna be the most satisfying area to organize. Kane's currently doing the boring job, which is organizing all of his documents and stuff, but we ended up getting him a little document organizer today. This is our little to-go section of things that he doesn't need anymore. For instance, the sea monkey tank because he can't take care of sea monkeys.
Yes, I can.
Let's not lie to ourselves now. But I am most excited to do the bathroom. I just opened up some of the drawers and there's literally skincare that I gave Kane a year ago and it's untouched. And I was like, do you use that? Do you plan on using that? And the answer was obviously no. So we're gonna take some of that out and just, I don't know. This is a lot. I don't even really know what's going on in this drawer. And I feel like Kane does not either.
I'm kind of embarrassed though. If I'm being honest, I'm surprised I have a girlfriend because of this drawer.
That's not me, by the way, in case you haven't been watching the videos. Put everything on the counter that you actually use. Okay, we're gonna clean this out. I have something rude to say, but I would never say it on YouTube.
What are you trying to say?
You've got all these like little hairs in the drawer and it's disgusting. When it's not your drawer, you kind of feel like you should have gloves on for this.
Do the sides too.
Listen to him just telling me what to do. Looks like you get all these cotton rounds to take your makeup off, pal.
Yeah, I use them every day. What about my tongue cleaner?
I'm not touching your tongue cleaner. Okay, here's the update on expired, out of date, / just literally empty junk that Kane Foster has in his bedroom. It's a lot better than before. He definitely needs some more of these like long organizers.
This next drawer is gonna be bad, pal. It is a mess.
Oh my god. You get rid of everything in that drawer that you don't use and put it up on the counter. While Kane does that, I found these meringue chips at Daiso and I'm so excited. I love meringue. Oh, they kind of smell weird. Do these smell weird?
No, they smell good, pal. What are you talking about?
I'm kind of a weird smell person. Like if something smells weird, I feel like I immediately turn myself off of what it tastes like. They're a bit spicy. It's kind of good. Actually tastes identical to meringue. 7 out of 10. Kane is done. Apparently, this is all the stuff that he wants to keep. We're gonna go through and wipe everything. I just feel like once everything has been in your drawer for kind of a while, she just needs a little disinfectant wipe.
If you don't get rid of the dust, it's just gonna get disgusting again. All the hair everywhere.
I feel like we actually need to get another one of these for your top drawer. I feel like that would be way better.
Yeah.
But this has like removable little inserts so you can kind of like adjust how big you want each section to be. Kane wants to have a coffee section in his drawer and then also like skincare and stuff. So I feel like we should make it slightly smaller for skincare because you don't really have that much.
Yeah.
And then have a section for your blow dryer. So like just so it sits upright.
Oh, that's smart. So I'm putting it in now. I'm a little, oh no flipping way, pal.
It's perfect. And if you scoot it over, you can put the cord down the side.
Oh crap. I put that one and this one's for my electric toothbrush. That's sick. This one will probably get messy in the end, but I've got some coffee here and I have like these little things Sarah bought me to have reusable coffee.
Little reusable coffee pods, because coffee pods are really bad for the environment.
This is so cool.
I don't think I've ever seen someone have like a cafe drawer with their like skincare product and their hairdryer. Kane used to put all of his coffee stuff on his window.
Every single coffee thing that I would make would just be dusty because it gets so dusty.
Underneath Kane's sink, we got a couple of different little containers like this. So we can put cleaning supplies, backups of products, and just like, I don't know, anything else that you'll put underneath the sink, which is probably a lot more than a normal person, seeing as Kane, this is his whole apartment. Cue the freaking time lapse.
I just want everyone to see how disgusting this bench is. And like the mirror actually is disgusting.
Bathroom is clean. Honestly, it's so satisfying down here. Cleaning supplies, then backups like shampoo, conditioner, laundry powder, paper towel, and then some toilet paper. That is so dang satisfying to me. I'm proud, I'm proud. And now Kane's actual junk drawer, which is this top one right here. And he told me that he has to have it there because it's right next to his desk. Update, I'm over it. I think I'm gonna take a nap while Kane finishes up the rest of his room.
Let me show you the mess. I'm about to put this all in bin bags.
I'm about to check my Instagram. I'm not kidding, y'all. I've really given up. This is the best sweeping I've ever seen in my whole life. I wouldn't be able to do it better myself anyway, so like telling someone that they're better at doing something so that they do it.
Finally, this she's doing some work.
Oh, yeah, I think it's not square.
It's on off. Turn it, you goose.
I'm tired.
You're so good at this. You gotta clean all the dust first by you just smearing it around.
Well, you should have told me not to spray it.
She's out.
Should we order ramen? Kane's taking over because quote unquote, I'm a fucking idiot. You can't lie, you said it.
I did.
I have no lipstick on, so it looks like I've just got lip liner. He told me that he would prefer to not watch me do it. He would rather just get up and do it, even though he's exhausted. cleaning isn't a perfect thing. And that's why we can only show you 2 or 3 parts of the room that we are proud of. Let's take it away, Kane. Give us a tour. This snack drawer, it's really not that good. I'm getting the good angle.
I think that looks satisfying.
Does it?
Yes.
Look at this amazing bird's eye view that I'm getting right now. If y'all come over to the bathroom, and the most satisfying part, which I believe is the undersink. Stunning.
Beautiful.
Amazing. An image. I feel like this one is also satisfying if you give it like a little,
I hope you know that right now, I'm gonna show a before and after of every single one.
No, we can't do that. It's not good enough. We didn't get enough organizers, and that's the tea. I don't think we're gonna get our own Netflix organizing show, that's for sure. We did intend to organize Kane's closet, but it really feels like this is just a 2-part series. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know. I'm going.